the investment is for limited period of time or it will be for long term? And another is what will be the minimum ticket size? That's all.
Minimum ticket size for idea stage startups, that means pre-revenue startups, is 50,000. For startups doing revenue is 1 lakh. But for startups which are already doing good revenue, 50 crore, 100 crore kind of, and they have raised funds, then the ticket size has to be 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 20 lakhs, because there is a number of limit of investors. So we have to accordingly adjust. If we have to raise, say, 7 crores or 5 crores, and then we cannot keep 1 lakh rupees as ticket size. So it will be 15 lakh, 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs that particular time.